Good morning, YouTube. Today we are going to make iced coffee because it's the best. Obviously the first thing you need is coffee, so we're gonna go and make that now. How I make my coffee is not really interesting. It really depends on what kind of like coffee machine you have. Now we put some water in there and then we're settled. Maybe this is better. Yeah, it is. So what we need is Why is that coffee machine so loud? Okay, good. It's quiet again. Amazing. The first thing you need, you don't need this, but I really like it, is soya milk. You can use like any kind of milk, but I like soya milk. Then you need coffee, obviously. You need a cup. This one's really cute. It's super cute and it says bring me everywhere, and oh, I love this cup. It's so cute. And you obviously need ice cubes. These ones are actually not that great because I only have 3. These melt in like 2 seconds. So I prefer like bigger, stronger ice cubes, but we don't have them right now. So the first thing I do is I put some vanilla soy milk in the cup. I really like when the coffee tastes really vanilla, so I put like a lot of vanilla in it, but it's up to you. And then I have my coffee. 1, 2, 3. Lastly but not least, we have the soya milk. First thing you do is you just stir it. Are you guys ready for first taste? I literally love this cup so much because it's the cutest and like this quote really suits me and I love it. Okay, my ice cubes are already gone. Okay, first taste. This is one of my best attempts, like literally. Okay, okay, the vlog is up, so I don't have to worry about that now. Okay, so the outfit of today is these pants from... I honestly have no clue where they're from. And then I have this sweater, which is... Oh, it's my favorite thing ever. It's from Primark or Primark. Don't come for me if I pronounce it wrong, because honestly I pronounce both ways. Like, I don't care if it's Primark or Primark. It is so soft and I wear this all the time. It's super soft and great. Oh, I love it. My scrunchie is also from Primark. And my necklace is from Pretty Milou. We love Victoria's Secret body spray. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel but you didn't watch the Vlogmas announcement, I'm not going to vlog at school. It's not going to be interesting anyways, but like I can't do it because of privacy reasons and because of how freaking awkward that is. But yeah, just so you know, I will probably see you when I'm back home. I just got home from school and it's 6:30. I never get home from school so late, but it was a long day. I am like so excited but really nervous and really like kind of emotional. Not really emotional, but like I know how to feel. In 6 minutes, Shawn Mendes, 5 minutes, the guy I started supporting when he had 200,000 followers, he is releasing a stadium tour. Freaking stadiums! I literally don't know how to feel. Like, I'm so proud of him, but like, how is he so famous now? Like, when I started supporting him, he had like no fans. Like, no one knew his name, and now everyone does, and I'm literally shaking at the thought of him playing stadiums. Like, fucking stadiums. How is he playing stadiums? 4 minutes, oh my god. I'm like shaking because I'm so nervous. I'm gonna catch my reaction on video. Okay, so xxxx, which is like, it's not his Twitter, but it's like kind of his management Twitter. Like, no one knows who runs that place, but oh my god, look at this. Okay. Oh my god! I tweeted, send us what cities you want to see Shawn in with hashtag Shawn Stadium, and stay tuned for the announcement today, plus more dates still to come. Many more dates still to come. First of all, that is crazy, and second of all, what is he announcing now? Like, for some reason I feel like now he will only release Toronto, but like I don't think he's releasing Europe. But if he is, if Amsterdam's on that list, I will cry. Like, dude, 1 minute. Oh my god, I forgot about that. 20 seconds. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna cry because I'm so proud of him, but like I cry so easily, so it's nothing special. But it's already on the side. No way. Toronto. No way. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at that picture. It's the CN Tower, which is in Toronto if you didn't know. Honestly, me, the person I am, I already looked at flights and it's actually so cheap. Like, I'm so tempted to go. The only thing I kind of don't get is why he made a whole site, shawnstadium.com, for one show. Like, why? So proud of him! Oh my god, he has worked so hard and he deserves honestly every success and every recognition he gets right now. And like, dude, Shawn Mendes is playing freaking Rogers Center. Are you kidding me? Tickets go on sale tomorrow? Celebration of his hometown show. The collaboration will be available December 4th. Anyone attending the in-store event will receive a unique pre-sale code and will get guaranteed tickets to the Toronto show. 10 lucky fans will win tickets to the show and one will win a meet and greet with Shawn as well as tickets to the show. Why am I not Canadian? Pre-sale starts tomorrow? Oh my god. Why is he like that? Oh my god. I'm so proud of him. What the heck? Like, oh, I cannot believe he's so famous. I am so shocked. Oh my god. Fucking Rogers Center in Toronto. I need to be there. Get me on Instagram for my PayPal, please. I will accept all the money, even if it's €1. Thank you so much. Let's get me to Toronto next year. Bye. Just posted a tweet with a video, and the tweet says, "Being my first headline stadium show at the Rogers Center in Toronto on September 6th. Going to be the most special show I've done yet, with an extended version of the tour set and some surprise guests. Thank you so much for supporting and love you." And I'm gonna watch the video. Oh my god. This looks so good.
The goal would be to finish the 2019 tour at the stadium.
So overwhelmed. I cannot believe that I'm even considering trying to go when I just know that I can never afford that. But like, it is freaking Toronto. It's his first headline stadium show. Right now it's almost 8 p.m. and at 9 I'm gonna watch the second game of the European Championships from handball. They are playing against Spain tonight and I'm really excited because I hope they win. I'm in such a good mood right now, but like also not, because I'm so like emotional because of Shawn. But like, I am really like happy for him and I'm so proud of him.
En ook een 2 minuten tijdstraf voor Spanje.
Hi friends. I can't speak so loud because everyone's asleep. Currently editing tomorrow's vlog and I'm so tired. It's almost midnight and I have to leave the house at 6:30 tomorrow. So that's really fun. I will get like 5 hours of sleep. Like YouTube. I'm editing the vlog and I realized that I didn't really end this vlog. So I watched the handball game. It was so stressful, but the Netherlands won in literally the last 2 seconds. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my vlogs. I need to finish editing and then go to sleep. So good night. I will see you in about 5 hours.